Boom! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And well, I don't know the whole anniversary saga. So we're getting ready for dinner now. As I know, today our anniversary, and we're gonna eat a little dinner, you know, nothing too much. Jason getting ready. Guys, me don't know what one piece of charger issue in here. Jason charger stop work, my charger stop work. I doubt if Jason have, let me tell you now, because I don't even want to lie. Jason have 1%, when I see it, 1% on him phone. How much me have? Luckily, I managed to have 60 on this. The phone when I having no SIM card. Me have 60% on. And the phone here now have 2%. 2. We charger just stop work out and nothing. Me not sure if I the socket them in here mash up the charger. Well, me know that Jason charger did a go. My charger did good, right? But Jason charger did have shorts. Both of our charger just stop work. Everything else in here work. I will plug in other stuff. It's a work. And our charger now work. So one piece of charger issue. I wanna get ready now and yeah, go outside and go eat some dinner, because you know our anniversary, and we have to end our anniversary with a bang. You know, we just don't want to stay in tonight. We just want to go outside, enjoy ourselves, look around, drink too, you know, drink, because today's Thursday, babe. Them I have one disco down there, so like stuff now lock off early, because me I read the thing and stuff now lock off early tonight. So we're gonna enjoy ourselves, because me not like when my special moment them are ending now, because right now you can't tell me say on my birthday. On my birthday right now. Guys, let me tell you, sometimes of the small stuff them in a life, and if you know me, you know how much I appreciate the small stuff. I mean, I appreciate everything, but it no matter if it's small or big, it just really no matter to me. So I'm gonna hop in the shower now and put on my clothes, and yeah, we're gonna go downstairs and eat some dinner. Wait, before we go downstairs, I'm gonna make Jason pull him gift them. I'm sorry I never catch him reaction for put it on the screen when the video upload. When did I go like, babe, what in the gift that in there? I could have dry it out some more though, you know. I could have really dry it out some more. And me just say, you know what, I just put it in that piece of clip here in another video there and just upload it. So when him did I watch it, him did surprise, like I look around like, then where you put them there? But yeah, man, make him want me and gift them. Anytime if you go nowhere with woman.
Pain.
The pain!
Me love yellow for me now. Wait, I need to change my chain. Cute. Alright guys, so babe, get over here. Come. Cause me know you can't wait to pull this. Guys, the moment. Hold this for me, please. Come, sit on the bed. Hold it for me. Thank you. If you wrap them up, that's how you wouldn't know. Alright. So, okay. So babe, I bought you 2 gifts, right?
Right.
And you know me did trick you, but let me tell you this first. I love the fact that I gave you the shirt and you just take it like, yo, this Andra buy, and I really appreciate it. So thank you for that. But I bought you some gifts.
2?
Yes, 2.
Why 2? No, that's 1.
No, 2. And me buy you something when me think you need.
Okay.
You know?
There's no me need, you know.
Yeah, and when you open them, I'm gonna let you choose. You're gonna choose which one you want to open first, right? Okay. When you open them, I'm gonna tell you the reason why I buy them. Okay. So which one you want to open first?
I like blue and you have one yellow.
Wait there. Turn on the lights here.
Back side us look brighter.
You know we gotta turn on the lights. Ready. So which one I say I want one first?
No, I see to daddy pop from mommy pop, so I don't see the right here, so.
Well.
So this is a prank box. Alright, I'm gonna pull this.
Let us see. Come on, pull it and no shake nothing.
That sound like cheese crunchies.
Babe.
You know me not like that. You say if I want prank you, I pull. Don't do it, you know. My shoes can't so flat now.
It have a handle.
Vivitar. So like
Open it.
no, I think I want earphone, babe.
Me.
You buy one next year?
Yes. Wait. Stick up in. The reason why I buy it, because you love to shave up yourself at home. And I really love that about you. If you see you just sit down on the veranda and do it. But the one way you have, babe, it's annoying bad. Me can't take it nice on my head.
So this no make nice?
Well, this year one, I think something come out of it, why it makes so much noise. It's too heavy. Well, somebody say you forget it sponge. But me I say, you know what? Let me replace it because it has 2 and open. You'll see. So, me replace it.
But you replace it?
Yes.
Then suppose babe this I wanna make nice too. You know,
babe, me replace it.
You give them back this year?
No. Replace it because I'm tired to hear the noise on my head with the next one. It's annoying bad.
You shoot this cutie?
Yes, that's the one. Because me ever see I use the big one to push underneath it over your nose and it scare me too.
You have a cute one and this one. Whoa.
And the big one.
Babe, I say yes, this don't make no nice.
Babe, even if it make nice, the next one annoying because I think it fell.
Yo, this is nice though.
Yeah, and it have the little accessory them.
Yeah, you bring the comb too.
The comb, the scissors. You remember
and,
you asked
and
me
the
for
gear gem so I can deal with it on me one.
Yes, you remember you did ask me for scissors. Me know say that in there, but me couldn't make you know. You know some because you watch the vlog, you know some have the gift them, but you still don't know what them did inner.
I'll use the next one, shave me.
Hey, come, next one.
Alright then, I love that gift there. I just hope say it do what you say because I don't want you to buy it and you know do it. You understand?
Trust me, it's a good one. I got information on it.
Which man need information?
Oh, come, because you think a man alone can't tell me them things, eh?
Which man know about that?
Come now, come now.
It's background.
Oh,
You know what you need.
The one that make my head hurt me. Show them. So me say, you know what, me go invest in this.
So you may get a shower gel.
Yes.
The spray and the body spray.
The cologne and the body splash.
Yeah. So that's why y'all laugh up to me today about what made you cuss about y'all laugh. And you say, da. What you say?
And to them, me hear when you say, no man, would I want one cologne, you know? And me say, huh?
Yeah, no, me actually say that for you.
And you ask me for some of my cologne, me never want to get too much. Because, so smell it now?
I don't want
to smell it. Smell it if you love it. Smell it now.
I'm a first. This is my second cologne I ever get. My uncle they give me one, but I have to give him back, so that no count. It's too strong.
Wow.
Oh my. You know, a man thing this, you know.
And the reason why I go guess cause guess not strong.
Yeah, not strong for sure.
Me smell it? Spray it. Nice.
Mild.
It just smell like man.
I always say when me about one of them big glass one. Come in and buy it for myself.
Ooh. So, you smell this one?
This is
Eee.
you wait a whole line on it, dude. I remember me have no fingernails on my feet.
Just push it up from the
Yeah, I
bottom.
can't use
Same thing?
mild.
Yeah.
I know sinus.
This is it.
I know sinus now.
Yes. I did a good job.
So much
So, guys, you heard it. Him love the gift them.
Thank you so much. Baby, from me just that you ever get exactly what me need. You just know.
Me love see when man have them own little stuff, them own little station, you know. Yeah, one man no, you're not a boy anymore.
Never was a boy from me anymore, girl. You go take up big man. I appreciate it. Well, too
So
bad.
your eye looks so.
Too bad.
Wanna see eye?
No, my eye red from there, from going to the beach. Too bad. No give no any feel.
Babe, I was telling them earlier, like, though this other trip, I really appreciate
The gift for
it.
you is the trip?
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's a gift still, but I have a gift for you still.
Me?
Yeah, but when you come back in the room, you're getting it.
Alright, cause I just open mine, so I don't want to keep up with time.
No, let's go get some dinner, cause tonight is gonna be a great night.
So guys, I'm gonna show them my gift when I come back in. Babe, nobody make me come in and drop asleep in a car. I know you.
I will never
So,
see that happen.
Let's go get some dinner.
Come on, can't remember me. Tell him send the rest of it.
The only thing that I'm gonna put on now is some lip gloss, cause you know me, I am not a makeup person, none at all. I don't like makeup.
Tell him where to find
But
the dinner.
guys, I'm gonna leave my camera cause you know I just want to go eat dinner and just reason with my baby. So
I'll be taking over the dinner vlog.
you're gonna take it over?
Yes.
Alright then. So bye guys.
Alright. So what will you think?
Guys, me not tell no lie, in here cold bad. So good morning guys, good morning. It's unbelievable how the whole I wanna just, you know, well, so much I wanna just root for me and Jason, and you know, reading back the comments and all of that, because you know when we did post our anniversary and stuff like that, people did say it's full time now to Jason put a ring on it, da 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 da. This lady, what's your name again? Angela? Michelle. I think it's Michelle. Me and this lady did a message. Her name is Michelle, and she did say, girl, do up your nails because you're gonna get the ring. And in my head me I say, me did a plan for do my nails. Like, if you don't know me, me like something short and classy. And from what day you ask me, say me a rock braid hairstyle, because me get for love braid so much, but me just never did a thing said this did I go happen, you know, and I know what me did I look out for. And that's probably that's the best part of it, you know, when you look out for something and it not happen, you're disappointed. The fact that me never did I look for this, none at all. Guys, Jason did a good job with hiding the ring, because knowing me dig up everything in our house. Listen, if I can't want to look back come there, me dig it up. The only thing that I don't read is receipt what throw away. And the fact that him hide it and then him come down here and plan all of this is like, guys, me don't know if I can see my eyes, because I cried last night. Even when I came in, when I turned off the camera, we went downstairs, grabbed some food and water and come back upstairs, and when Jason asleep, me I tell him I go in the bathroom and me break down. 4 years, and you know it's good not to rush stuff, and you know sometimes I make people intimidate you. Like, but not like proposal videos on the internet is super cute. Sometimes when you watch them, you just want run go propose. You just want to run go buy a ring. You just want to do so many stuff, and when you understand say
what we see on the internet and not always like, oh, how it look. Let me just say that. Thanks, babe. Music did play in the background, so I'm close the door. But you know, sometimes it's just good for trust God, trust the process, and know say when it happen, it'll go feel magical because it was God's timing. As I say, thank you so much, guys. Thanks for always a root for me and Jason. Thanks to the people them in the comment section when people are saying, no man, Jason put a ring on it. Them say, oh, you mean if you put a ring on it, now make him wait. When you can't pay for them. When I love people like, when I love so I always have my back. I appreciate the other people them always say, raise a full time now because it's 4 years. I'm not gonna lie, 4 years is a very long time, but at the same time, as me say, if Jason never proposed, I mean, it still wouldn't be a problem for me. It's just that for me and the life that I really want to live is like this work out better in my favor. But it looks super good on me. Baby did a good job with the ring, you know. If you're part of the staff that helped Jason at Rio, that helped Jason to execute all of this, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Hey, what the guy named Safari?
Safari, is it?
Safari.
From the first night,
I don't really want to call the name because I'm not going to remember everybody's name. Yeah, but Safari, you're a real one.
One of my version from CC. Don't get to so.
Yeah,
from
I remember.
See it, everybody will see it. Is it?
Safari, you're a real one. He's a real one, yo. And him customer service is so good, and the fact that him plays off so well with Jason is like him a come and yeah, alright, he wants some wine, he wants some champagne, and the other lady, I can't remember her name. This other lady, she just did it like, thank you so much. You guys did a good job. And then when it happened here now, what you say? She come act like she still never know. I say, you know about it? And then she gave me some encouragement. Like she said, she showed me her wedding ring, and I said, this is 25 years. Yeah. And she hoped that happened to me, and she hoped for the best. And you know, I'm just emotional. A little girl's dream came true. So bye, guys. But I'm gonna end off my video right here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. Literally 50k. Come here.
Remember when you just shade on me, I said this, that. But you know what, I just shade the ring there, I sit down though. just imagine.
Why you do it though? No, me. Guys, me clean every let me tell you something. Don't come at my house and feel like you can't put down something because me clean every corner of my house. And if me not see it today, I'm gonna see it tomorrow.
You know if you understand, say?
What is it?
There's more than what meets the eye. That's the first thing. Let me tell you, stop call me and them. Razor different. I do my thing for my own time when me ready, when me feel like at the right time. Nobody not determine that for me. That's I think the stubborn. Is it?
But it's definitely the right time.
Trust me, it could have gone no more perfect. You could have if you get proposed, you know, if you see it coming, that's the first thing. You know, you can probably guess because you say, anniversary would be a good time. But you always me on the table, sit down and eat normal like. And I see man come and say, yeah man, I could get some dessert or something sweet for me in the car. And every time I know say what come. Only thing I never know exactly what in it. I never know if it's cake or ice cream, but in there I say cake at first. You see? So I know exactly what come. I know when me, you notice me turn on the camera and see him come, because I know the thing.
You made a little girl happy. A little girl dream came true.
What?
Now we're gonna start planning our wedding. Bye guys.